You might have scrolled through X, or also known as Twitter, and found chuckling at those animated memes. Thought to yourself, I wish I could do that. So, well, buckle up, meme lords and ladies, because today you are going to learn how to bring your favorite memes to life, making them dance, wiggle, and may even sing the Hotline Bling like Drake on a Friday night. Hello, all the subscribers and watchers of Champion EdTech. So your guide to mystical journey of meme animation. So today we are diving into the world of AI video tools to animated memes. And yes, we are starting with the classic, the Drake Hotline meme, Bling meme. Because if Drake can't get us started, who can? So we are first going to go to IMGflip.com. The URL will be available to you in the description. So you can pick whatever meme you want. It has a couple of templates here. So you can find your meme. Today's star, let's go with the Drake Hotline Bling. And we are going to add some spicy text to it using IMGflip to give it some chef's flavor. Something like anything. So I'm just going to say the simple text here, static meme, and let me say here animated meme. So let's make it simple here, and let me just go ahead and now click the button to say generate the meme. And once this is done, you can save it anywhere you want. So I've already generated and saved it, so I won't be doing it again. And you do require to log in here if you want to edit the meme, else it's not going to work. So it has a variety of one, or if you want, you can even upload your own custom meme. And there's next the step 2. There's 2 ways to do it. For scene transition to the host demonstrating upload process, we can either use Stable Video Diffusion via Replicate or HuggingFace. The URL is also available to you. This is Replicate Stable Diffusion variant. This is the HuggingFace. So let me show you how to do with Replicate. So we just need to upload whatever we have. So I'll just click here, and I've just uploaded this meme here. And what we now need to do is, you can pick how many frames you want. There are a variety of options. Do you want 14 or 18? Aspect ratio if you want to change it. Frames per second. You can play around with all these metrics, and you just need to click run. And after you do that, and we hit run, the animation begins. We do need some patience because it takes some time to generate this. As you can see, it's using the NVIDIA GPUs to generate this. So it's processed, and as soon as it's gets the compute, it roughly takes a couple of seconds for us to get the output. And basically, after this is done, you can download this. We can download the meme, and you can use it in your any of the social media. This is not the only way to do it. You can also use Runway ML or Pika Labs to unleash the creativity in you. And who knows, who knew you would be directing a meme on any of your favorite celebrity, or creating one instead of watching one. So that's totally up to you. And as you can see, it's now getting done, and it's 23% done. And whatever we gave here, it roughly takes a couple of minutes as soon as the compute becomes available. And that's how that's the basic step what we followed to convert a static meme into an animated meme. And you can just click on this, download this, and share it anywhere in social media. If you want to play with the playback speed, you can do that too. If you loved this video, please make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the ring bell button so that you won't miss any of our meme static adventures. Until next time, keep animating and share your work on social media. Thank you for joining.